An owl, braving the chill, tucks its young ones safely under its wings. The owl's wings create a warm cocoon, protecting its little ones from icy winds and snowflakes. Whether it is rain, thunder, or frost, their only priority is their young one's safety. The wings that help them fly also become a shield during storms and cold days. Towards the end, we see something beautiful. Grown-up birds standing tall, showcasing their strength. They are now capable of taking on the world, all because of the love and protection they received when they were small. This AI-generated portrayal is a reminder of how nature teaches us compassion, care, and sacrifice.